Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so much welcome and kindly subscribe. Please don't leave without subscribing. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. Today's video, you're only going to use these 4 products: foundation, concealer, lip gloss and lip liner. So we are starting by brushing our eyebrows using a toothbrush, going upwards, or you can use a spoon. Or you can use anything that you're comfortable with to brush your eyebrows. And so after that, lining, you're using Davis number 3 eye pencil, starting from the lower side of your eyebrows. And then on the upper side, you're using the same pencil. We're starting from slightly in the middle part of the eyebrow, and then we are filling in the spaces where we don't have hairs, but don't overdo. Yeah, so after lining and filling in, that's the result. Now concealing, you're using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and using a flat top brush. And kindly subscribe, guys, please. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. So I personally don't conceal the upper side of my eyebrow. I only conceal the lower side and leave it there. Next, we are doing our face. We are applying primer. We let it set in before applying our foundation. And for the eyebrow slit, I have a tutorial on my channel. You can go check it. So we are applying foundation using a Dam Beauty blender. We squeeze out the excess water and we just tap in. You can see how well the foundation blends. Blend your foundation to the neck also, and also to your ears. Next, we are doing mascara, and then we are highlighting our face using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. The same concealer we used in concealing our eyebrows. And then I'm using a beauty blender to just tap in the concealer to blend it. Then after concealer, you will have to apply a setting powder. Next, contouring the nose, you're using a fluffy brush. Just do it as I'm doing it. And then after that, we are doing our lips using a brown lip liner. It's Davis number 3. We're going for that simple look today, but we have a slit on our eyebrows. I have the tutorial on my channel. And after applying the liner, make sure you blend it in. Don't have a harsh line. And then we are applying lip gloss. I don't know what color this is, but I love it. Make sure you blend well the lip liner and the lip gloss. You don't want to have harsh lines. And yeah, that's the final look. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.